Hey guys, it's Jordan back today with another video. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at TEZOS and we're going to jump right onto the chart on this. So I wanted to go over why a big, massive move for TEZOS is actually right on the horizon. And there's many reasons for that. And first, we're just going to look at the weekly chart for TEZOS here. And as you guys can see, we're getting squeezed. We're kind of in this upwards channel, right? We've been in this upwards channel since 2018. This is a long-term upwards channel, right? So we're going to see craziness from this channel, right? So as you guys can see, right now, we're getting squeezed from the support line down here, which we've had multiple touches on throughout TEZOS' history since 2018. We're getting squeezed on that support line and also squeezed by the 20-week moving average. So the 20-week moving average is this orange line here. And you guys see that we're getting squeezed in between the two of these. Now, the 20-week moving average is going to continue to move across here, almost forming a triangle. And we're going to get squeezed in here. And we need to see a move out of this little squeeze very, very soon, whether to the upside or to the downside. Now, I think we're going to go up to the upside here just because we're at the bottom of this channel. We obviously haven't broke it since 2018. So if we broke it, that would be pretty bearish for TEZOS, but we're in a bull market, so I'm expecting a move to the upside, right? If I was expecting a move to the downside, I will be saying that, guys, right? I'm not a moon boy, right? I'm very, very realist. So we're going to go over a couple different reasons later in this video why I'm also think we're going to go to the upside. But it's my prediction we go to the upside of this. So obviously, we could go to the downside, just bear in mind, I think we're going to go to the upside because we are getting squeezed in between these two very important levels. We also have this downwards trending resistance line, which we've only got two touches on, but we're also getting squeezed in between that and the support line. So a bunch of different things having confluence here, and why we should be seeing a massive move for TEZOS, in my opinion, to the upside, retesting the top of this channel very, very soon. Now, obviously, it's not going to go in a straight line, right? It could be like this one here where, it pumps up and it kind of consolidates and then it pumps up again. Same thing, this one, it pumps up, consolidates, and pumps again. But you guys get the point here, and why in the weekly chart, at least, I'm expecting a pump very, very soon. So we're going to jump straight on in over to the daily chart and just kind of give ourselves a little zoomed in look on what we're looking on the daily chart. So this is another reason why I'm bullish, right? On the daily chart, we're also in this symmetrical triangle, which we've gotten, they caught that as two touches there, three touches on the upside, and on the downside, we got 1, 2, and 3 touches, right? So that confirms that triangle for me, and we're getting squeezed in between this. Now, the apex of this triangle isn't to the middle of January, so we could see another month of sideways action here, but based on this kind of triangle that's playing out here, the 20-week moving average is going to squeeze this over. And inversely, we probably could fit another 4 candles in here if we really tried to, before really getting, it's kind of like a spring that's being coiled up. We could see, literally sideways action on this weekly chart in here while this 20-week average squeezes it and springs it to the upside. Same thing here. This thing can, just ping pong down, up, to right at the apex where we get a nice move up, in my opinion. Obviously, we're in a bull market, so the trend is your friend in bull markets. Don't bet against the trend. We've seen higher lows all throughout this bull cycle, right? So I expect this to be our low, and I expect a move up to the upside also on the daily chart. So two confluences is why we should see a massive move from TEZOS, both on the weekly chart and on the daily chart. And also, guys, I just wanted to quickly take a look at the TEZOS Bitcoin pair, right? You guys, I've been looking at a lot of these pairs lately just because it's screaming to altcoins making huge moves very, very soon, right? Obviously, I have the majority of my stack in Bitcoin, right? Not a terribly majority stack, but a majority nonetheless. But I also hold a lot of altcoins, unlike a lot of other YouTubers, right? I'm not a Bitcoin maximalist. I take advantages of the market when I see it, and I'm seeing a big opportunity in TEZOS here based on this pairing, right? The TEZOS Bitcoin pair. You guys can see, yeah, it doesn't look great, right? We've seen a massive landslide since August, right? So for the past 4 months or so, we've seen a massive landslide down Obviously, we don't want to break that 20-week moving average in a bull market. We had support on all the way up, and eventually we broke it, and yeah, you saw what happened. But we are getting to a massive support level, which if TA was ever to be correct, this is one of those times where we want to see it correct, right? So we've gotten support on this green line down here, obviously 3 times in Tezos' history, back in 2018, twice in 2019, and now we're coming right to that support line. We could see a wick down here, right? But I'm expecting us to get support on the support line, because that has been the history, for Tezos throughout its history already, right? We don't go below this green line ever in Tezos' history. So I'm expecting to see a reversal and, Tezos to catch up on Bitcoin a little bit, right? And that's also going to, obviously you're going to see the other altcoins go up as Tezos goes up, because the altcoins usually follow each other, because they usually follow Ethereum, right? So if Ethereum starts pumping up, we're going to see Tezos catch up on that Bitcoin pair, and then we might see this kind of round out and start making a bigger up to the upside. Now, if we do end up breaking this green support line, we're in clear skies, but not the good clear skies. We're in, below territory that we've never been in before for Tezos. So we do not want to see a break of this green line. That could mean, down into Goblin Town. We don't want to go down there. We don't want to retest new lows. That's never a good thing. That's like, obviously everyone this to test new all-time highs. We don't want to test all-time lows, because then it starts getting parabolic to the downside instead of parabolic to the upside. So that's just my quick update on Tezos today, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about Tezos. Is this Tezos Bitcoin pair, is it going to the downside? Is it going to break this green support line? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, guys, if you haven't, go follow my Twitter, right? It's pinned in that comment right down below. You guys are the absolute men and the few women that watch my videos. Thank you so much for going me follow on there. Let's try to get to that 100 follower mark. That would be awesome. And I'm going to make 2 videos today, so I'll see you guys in later's video. Peace.